Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to outline the routine maintenance that DrySteam recommends for the Ultra-sorb XV steam dispersion panel. For your own safety, be sure to review all guidelines, warnings, and cautions in the IOM before you begin your work on site. Here's a list of tools and supplies you will need: hand tools, Teflon tape pipe sealant, PPE, cell phone, waterproof cup, and of course, the Ultra-sorb XV IOM for detailed information on how to perform the maintenance tasks. Typically, a standard maintenance visit for the Ultra-sorb XV will take about 3 to 4 hours. Unit size, location, and other factors may affect the amount of time required. Maintenance procedures include inspecting the strainer at least twice during the first year. If fouled, inspect more frequently. Verifying that the steam traps are functioning properly at least twice a year. A block steam trap will be at room temperature. A blowing steam trap is hot and noisy, and the discharge pipe from it is hot for up to 30 feet. Electric valves should be inspected annually to be sure that the valve closes off steam tightly and that there are no leaks. For the dispersion tubes and heat exchanger, maintenance procedures include: if the steam or condensate is evident at the sealing surface, replace the seal. Inspect insulating material for dirt and smudges. Gently clean with soapy water or diluted, non-toxic, biodegradable cleaner or degreaser. A poor quality steam source may cause a buildup of deposits on the heat exchanger, which will require periodic cleaning. After 2,000 hours of operation, remove a dispersion tube and check whether the heat exchanger is coated with material deposits. Material deposits can be removed from the heat exchanger with DrySteam's humidifier descaling solution. See the usage instructions in the Ultra-sorb XV IOM. Before you head out to the site, here are some things that you should verify. The maintenance location for the unit is clear and accessible. Condensate return or drain is available. AHU can be activated to test the XV operation. Contact information for the DrySteam sales representative. The best way to determine how often your humidifier needs maintenance is to access the XV dispersion grid, inspect the dispersion tubes for mineral deposits after 3 months of duty. Now you are ready to perform routine maintenance of the Ultra-sorb XV steam dispersion panel. Taking time to plan and perform maintenance on a regular schedule will keep the equipment up and running at peak performance for many years.